Okay, friends, here's the deal. Customer pay has been going up, and we've seen repair volume going down by 20 to 30% in most markets. And a lot of shops are freaking out. They're going, I'm not the low price leader in my marketplace. I'm not really positioned for customer pay. Let me take you through a couple things where I think AI is going to play a big role in helping you. Number one is educating your customer. That's really big. Number two is making it incredibly convenient for your customer to want to do business with you. And I actually just came from Freeman Collision in California, and we did this little rollout where it's all about making it convenient first. So let's say the customer is going through their service lanes at their dealerships. They can scan a QR code, or the service writer can scan this QR code. Now, each QR code is tracked and mapped to that service writer, so you can track who is sending you the work and where it's coming from. But more importantly, it just opens up a quick experience where the customer or the service writer can upload a few pictures, and then visual AI will actually do the preliminary assessment in about 90 seconds. So that customer is now getting a preliminary estimate back to them. But just giving them an assessment isn't good enough, because you're always going to be more expensive than the other shops around you. You need to sell that estimate. So what I'll show you now is the video that goes out to the customer. This is the first thing they see when the assessment comes back to them. Let's go ahead and watch the video together. Now, keep in mind, this video has been 100% generated by AI. The lady in this video is not real. Her voice is not real. Everything you see in this video is completely AI generated. And it's been designed to really speak to that customer and help them understand what the next steps are, so they can go ahead and then book their repair appointment. Let's go ahead and have a quick watch of this video together.
Hi, this is Amy over at Freeman Collision. I wanted to say thank you for using our damage assessment tool. You'll find your report link down below. And I also wanted to share a couple really important facts about having your vehicle repaired. Number one is that vehicles have advanced so quickly that, unfortunately, a lot of body shops nowadays have just not been able to keep up with the advanced safety systems that they have on them. And this is something that here at Freeman we take great pride in. Our technicians have actually gone for factory level training and have been certified by vehicle manufacturers to repair your vehicle back to its factory standards. And this ensures your safety, and it also makes for a higher resale value of your vehicle as well. The second thing I wanted to share with you is, when you're ready to move forward, there's also a book repair button. When you click on that, you can go ahead and actually get scheduled in, and we'll take care of all the details and get you the VIP service. At the repair appointment, our technicians will actually do a thorough investigation of the vehicle. They'll check for any hidden damage. They'll do a vehicle diagnostic scan just to make sure we're checking all the safety systems. We'll finalize a repair plan for you, and then have you sign off on it, and then we can go ahead and get things started as far as the repairs go. If you have any questions, feel free to call us or text us at any time. We're always happy to chat. We'll talk again real soon.
Pretty simple, pretty powerful. But the next stage is they can actually go ahead and look at their estimate just like this. And then from there, they can go ahead and actually book their repair, reserve their rental car, upsell themselves, and even sign the documentation. So this is the world where a customer in a service lane can basically, in under 5 minutes, not only get an estimate, but schedule themselves in. How are you being convenient for your customer? That's what I want you to think about. How are you using technology to streamline the buying experience?
I really like about this QR code thing is it takes the labor piece and shrinks it down to very little. And so no one is having to be inconvenienced to do that. Now they would let their customer go. They would send them back over here. They would walk in the door and someone would say, man, we just can't do it right now. I'm making an appointment. And then they'd come back, and now you're back already. And then they'd say, oh my God, well, I sent my customer back there, and then nothing happened. They tell them to come back in a week, and it's not doing that anymore. And things that are cumbersome, and people don't like cumbersome things, and people that are making money based on time don't like cumbersome things. And I don't know, for me, that solution of this QR code that you go just bam, bam, and here's your information, it makes that connection so seamless. And so it respects somebody's time, right? I mean, they're already sitting here waiting to get in, and then you're going to send them back there to sit and wait to get in, and that's not a good experience. And this piece of the puzzle just makes it so easy to keep your guest happy.
So that is the world we are in. It's changing incredibly quickly, and I just wanted to get you a sneak peek at what is coming. So let me sum it up by saying this. Educating your customer is paramount. Making it convenient for your customer is going to be incredibly important. Use these things. Anything that you can use, anything that you can do to simplify the buying experience for your customer, you will win. All right, my friends, keep crushing it. We'll talk again next time.